Hello, I am so excited to bring you my new series. It's called The 7 Pillars of this Third Dimension. The 7 pillars of this third dimension are a set of laws or guiding principles that we can go by in order to help us through our spiritual journey. These has been different sections or different things that has really helped me grow spiritually. So I'm about to head up this hill, and I said, you know what, let me do the introduction here because it's almost an analogy of going up the hill with the 7 pillars. We're going to start at pillar number 7 all the way up to pillar number 1. So let's get started. So pillar number 7 are the 7 Hermetic principles. The 7 Hermetic principles are 1, the principle of mentalism. 2, the principle of correspondent. 3, the principle of vibration. 4, the principle of polarity. 5, the principle of rhythm. 6, the principle of cause and effect. And 7, the principle of gender. The Hermetic principles are considered universal laws that, once understood, the individual has what they would say are the keys to magical kingdom. Second, we have the 6 universal laws. These 6 universal laws are complementary to the Hermetic principles. The 6 natural laws are as follows. We have the law of divine oneness, the law of attraction, the law of inspired action, the law of transmutation of energy, the law of compensation, and the law of relativity. Next, we have the 5 guiding principles. And the 5 guiding principles are as follows. 1, unconditional love to all being. 2, freedom of choice to all being. 3, do no harm. 4, take inspired action. And number 5, thankfulness, gratitude, and mindfulness. Next, we have the 4 states of health. And the 4 states of health are coherent health, chemical health, corporeal health, and currency health. Then we have what's considered the 3 most important aspects of life. This is our acknowledgement of spirit, then relationship with everything, and third, our medium of exchange. Next, there is the 2 realities. These 2 realities are the vibrational reality and the physical reality. The vibrational reality and the physical reality are made up of one, the Supreme One. So what we're going to do is go through each of those 7, just so we can understand how to put them in place. As I said, the 7 Hermetic principles and the 6 natural laws are more laws or rules that are universal, that control what's going on and what we do around here. Pillar number 5, 4, and 3 are ones that we directly do. They're us. They're what we do for other people. They're what we do for ourselves. And they're things that we can control. Then we have number 2, which is the 2 realities. We can't control the 2 realities. They're just there. And we also cannot control the sovereign one. But understanding how everything fits together is what we're going to try to do in this series. I hope you're able to join me as I go through each of the pillars. At first, giving a brief summary of what each of the pillars are all about, and then going into detail into the different ones. See you next time. Bye.